Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, look, I'm back behind the mic, not feeling so well. I think you can hear it in my voice. But you know what? The bills need to be paid, so we put in the work. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Today, we put on a great covered call on YINN. I'll show it to you real quick. At the end of this video is a members video that I want you to see. It talks about 5 trade setups that are incredible. We're going to use Microsoft, DPST, YINN, BidX, and TNA. The members get these videos all the time, and this one right here was sent out just yesterday. Tell you what, the markets are down right now considerably. The NASDAQ down as much as 400 today. You could feel that we're walking on thin ice. Now, when we're in retirement, we have to be able to generate solid cash flow. You could buy dividend-paying funds, but one of the biggest problems and concerns on the internet right now, how these dividend-paying funds have NAV erosion. And that NAV erosion means that these high-yielding dividend-paying funds that all these people are buying, well, they pay that huge dividend, and I'll tell you, everybody gets tempted and seduced into buying them, and next thing you know, they're spending that money in retirement. So now the fund that they purchase starts to slowly fall and drift and they're looking for help, right? They're looking for answers. How do you minimize NAV erosion? But it won't happen. You can't minimize NAV erosion. If you want the big paydays, you have to deal with NAV erosion. Take a look at Misty here. Misty's coming in at 957. This was the absolute holy grail dividend paying fund. I'll tell you what, if you were not in this in the beginning, well, you've lost over half your money. Now, they'll tell you that you made it back in dividends, but you spent that money. You spent that money in retirement, so you didn't reap the benefit of drip investing. Drip investing would have saved you this incredible decline in value. But again, that's the problem, right? So you have to have a cash flow strategy in retirement that pays you. And you don't have to worry about NAV erosion. You just put on a very simple covered call or cash secure put trade. Then you collect that cash flow and you use it. You use it in retirement, pay the bills, or you buy some of these dividend paying funds that don't have NAV erosion like a Misty. In fact, you could buy any number of the sector based. RDTE is a great one. Love RDTE. Pays quite a bit. That doesn't have much NAV erosion, does it? But then you come back over and you take a look at something like Alti, where everybody on the internet was talking about buying Alti. Look at this. This is where they were suckered in. They said, oh, they changed how Alti does things. And look at this. This was in a market that was recovering. Everything else recovered like this. This is what Alti did. And now everybody in Alti. See, everybody loves Alti. Why? Because Alti is $4.50. That's why they love Alti. Don't tell me they love it because of the strategy it uses or the high dividend. You love it because it's $4.50 and you can buy thousands and thousands of shares. But the reality is this thing is nothing more than just a slow march to death. That's incredible. Yes, they pay about 8 to 9 cents per share per month. And even that can't keep this thing absolutely doing a nosedive. So again, let's go back to what I was talking about. Let's create a cash flow system where we can generate cash flow, not have NAV erosion. And all we have to do is just play the indexes and sectors. And notice, this is my income for at least until November 28th. You can see right here, we have quite a few trades. And I'm going to tell you right now, I have probably 300K sitting on the sidelines, hoping to get in to the game. I got some TNA and BidX that right now I'm kind of hoping that we get a little bit of a move higher and I'll put them right back in the game. But take a look at this. This is your real income play right here. And this is what I teach people at my membership. In fact, let's go back to that video I want you to see. Here's the phone app. Members get a phone app. In the description below, you get your 1 free month offer. If you ever thought there was a time you wanted to become a member and watch an active, successful trader generate cash flow in his retirement, I retired at 55. I'm now 57. We've been able to actually increase our pay. Look at this. This is just this year. Are you looking at the screen? See that big number? That's what I've made through cover call writing, cash secure put selling, and then using that money to buy passive investments. That is coming in at $138,000. That's incredible. That is selling premium right there. That is not buy and hold. That is nothing more than writing cover calls and selling cash secure puts. And that's what I do right here. This was yesterday's video. The day before, we highlighted 3 stocks. We also talk about why we buy back our options, the in the money cover call, poor man's cover call. I'll tell you, being a member, you get the phone app, which has all the exclusive videos just for members. And of course, you see all of my trades. These are all my trades. Take a look. Is there any red X there? There's no red X. All we do is put on trades. Look at that. I trade my kids as well. This is something that I do for a living. You know, you see a lot of YouTubers out there and they're trying to make that YouTube money. So they're coming up with content all the time just to get you to click on it. And they talk about, you know, buying Alti and retiring on Alti and all those videos that are basically worthless. I mean, they really are. And then you get other YouTubers that come in and pile on me when I make fun of those people. Yet I've been doing this for over 10 years, generating this kind of money. This is incredible. I'll tell you what, at the end of the day, you want to learn how to do this. This builds real wealth. Let's take a look before we get out of here. Let you see that video for the members. This is since I started writing covered calls. 2016, I only did covered calls and puts from August to December. At that point, 18,600. Man, I was on top of the world. Then I set some very simple goals. I just wanted to make $1,200 a month, and that quickly turned into $2,500 a month. We follow up our next year with damn near $40,000, and then $55,000. And of course, in 2019, we don't get there. I wanted to make $60,000. But then we get better. Then the trades are coming to me because I start to learn a method. And my method is exclusive to what I do. Although you could watch all 600 of my videos on YouTube and you could eventually figure out what I do now. Look at these incredible numbers. This is since I retired. Are you seeing that on screen? Zoom in. I retired December 22. In our first year of retirement, we knock it out the park. Second year, we blow it away. And look where we're at right now. We're literally starting November, and I'm a mere $6,000 away from last year's entire year total. Learn how to write cover calls, sell cash secure puts, get the phone app with all the videos, all my trades. Members see every single one. Now, before we get to this members video, I really hope this video inspires you to go out and learn about cover call writing, cash secure put selling, because this can be a steady way to generate cash flow in retirement. This trade right here is on YINN. We're going to go ahead and make 2.3% in 8 days. And what we're going to do is use the out of the money covered call. YINN was trading for $49.70 when I placed this trade. I did the 51.50 strike. That's my cost basis. So I'm going to use my cost basis as much as I can. We'll generate covered call premiums along the way until we get out at 51.50. I want to tell you, I've owned these shares for just a little bit. I've already generated well over $5,000 just on these shares alone. And we're going to get out at our cost basis. You know, the buy and hold investor is going to buy at 51.50 just like me. This thing doesn't give a dividend. So when we're out of this trade, I will have made over $9,000 and the buy and hold investor has made nothing. They're literally getting out at their cost basis. So learn how to write covered calls, sell puts. This one was sent to the members. In fact, let's go to the phone app and you can see when we scroll up to the top, it's right there. You see the $3,600 projected profit on YINN. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to him. I want you to stick around. You are going to see a video that I sent to the members just yesterday, and we're talking about these 5 stocks and ETFs. We're going to talk about Microsoft, DPST, YINN, BidX, and TNA, and how we generate thousands of dollars using my methods. That's the key here. If you haven't figured it out, I have methods for success. This is all covered calls and this is all cash secure puts. This is your cash flow in retirement. I have the methods. If you follow me, you'll see all of these trades. You can follow them and do them. In the description below, get your 1 free month offer. I had 3 people sign up just this morning. They were complaining that I didn't get them in the system to get them in the phone app. I need you to take advantage of that 1 free month offer. Hey, look, I'm going to turn it over to him. I want you to stick around to watch this exclusive members video, and I know you're going to like this one. Hey, welcome back, everyone. I want to talk about 3 trades that I'm really liking right now. I'm going to bring up the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is an incredible trade. You can see that it's pulled back. That's a nice little sell-off right there. Look how it's coming down to support right here. Look at that huge gap up. You have it pulling back. It might go higher. This is incredible, right? This entire run basically lines up with that right there. So we're right back to where we were. You have all of the big stocks announcing earnings, and they were pretty good outside of Meta. But let's take a look at Microsoft, because Microsoft is one of my favorites right now. You do know that we try to only trade the Mag 7 minus Tesla. I don't trade Tesla. I don't know Tesla, so I don't want to get involved. But hey, Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Amazon, those can be staples of any selling premium portfolio because Wall Street buys them back up. So let's take a look. In my last video, I talked about how I just don't see it trading, Microsoft trading below 505. Well, today we're looking at 508. It's testing these recent levels here, and it's bouncing off nicely. It is down today with the markets up. Not really sure why this would be selling off. I mean, earnings were good. We're getting an opportunity here. So what we love to do is take a look at the 2X leveraged ETF to Microsoft, and you can see it's doing the same thing. It's testing that bottom. Right now, a nice 49 strike, even though it'll probably test that 49 strike. We have 2 weeks because MSFU only has monthly options. We have 2 weeks. You can still get a 49 strike and get about $1.55 for it. Microsoft has proven to bounce off of that number, so I like the 49 strike here. I have a 50 strike. Feel very confident that even if I were assigned the shares, we can do a 30-day trade. This thing will pay for 30 days, almost $3.50. That's a great trade. So Microsoft is what I'm watching right now. I do want to touch on DPST. DPST is doing exactly what I said it would do. You know, I tell you, I've been DPST's biggest fan, and I have the trades to prove that. Right now we're controlling something like 4,000 shares of DPST, and I absolutely love it. This is when the regional banks had some problems. 2 days. We got 2 days, and it touched 72. I said that it would rally back into the 90s. It just had to find its way. Look at this. If you look at its support right here, when it breaks resistance, comes back, breaks resistance, comes back to that line right there, right around 80. I love DPST. I love DPST to go back into the 90s. So you could do a $10 out of the money cash secure put. You know, you could easily get off a 75 and still make a decent amount of money. I have a couple poor man's cover call trades that are paying incredible amounts. In fact, I just put one on for next week. I think I picked the 90 strike. That trade, my cost basis is 82 a share, so that could be profitable. I'll get out of that trade. That could be a 19% cash on cash trade. The other one I'm in at 99, so we still have some work, but that's okay. My Leaps call options expire January, so that would mean that we could put on trades for December and January. And I'll tell you what, if we have to, we will roll those Leaps call options and we will continue this trade. Absolutely love DPST. Now, YINN is a trade I love. I'm in 3,000 shares of YINN at 51.50. This is when we had that incredible bad tariff news. These 2 days right here, I had said that I believe the 48 strike was going to be support. Well, it was hanging in there until these 2 big days. And of course, this is the incredible day where China and U.S. were going to go to blows. And then it rallies, of course, and gets back to 53, pulls back with the most recent pullback of yesterday. And look what it's doing. It's headed right back up. Remember, YINN is the 3X leverage ETF to the China big retail stocks. That's Alibaba, and Alibaba had incredible earnings. So I like this still. I still own it at 51. We're going to go ahead and put on a call tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some continuation here. Maybe get it to 49.50. I'll do the 51.50 for the November 14th expiration. I'd love to get out of that trade, but boy, take a look at this. This is what I want to show you here. Pick any of these dates back here. This is when you get this incredible line of support. Now, what I'll tell you is we're starting to plateau here. You can see how this is your escalation, and then it starts to plateau, right? Now we're going sideways. This is what we want. This is a big range here, but this is what we want. Trading anywhere between 45 and 53, you can trade this. You know, if we brought up that Keltner channel and take a look at that. We're at the bottom of the range. If you got involved right now, I'll tell you, if you wanted to do the 49 out of the money right here, I think it continues back up to 51.50, and I'll be out of that trade. Now, we'll leave it right here with BitX. Of course, Bitcoin has been rocked, but you know, Bitcoin is about the most manipulated commodity on Wall Street. This thing absolutely is manipulated. I showed you that email where every single time we go into the weekend, take a look at this. This huge drop going into the weekend and then coming out of the weekend, it rallies. It's as if there's no liquidity and the whales are able to come in, buy low, sell high. That's all they do. Buy low, sell high. We're hitting lower lows here. I was quite surprised it hit 98,000. I do believe by Monday, right now it's Tuesday, we'll get some sideways trading. I believe by next Monday, this will be sitting around the Keltner channel mid 111,000 a coin. So I'm in BitX at 55. Trading for 43X right now. We're just going to try to write those strikes two weeks out, make $1.50 here, $1.50 there. So I'm going to leave it right there. I like BitX. Right now, I love where BitX is trading. Microsoft is great. YINN. I'll tell you what, we got a couple moments here. I'm going to go ahead and talk about another one. I have quite a few trades on TNA. TNA has been holding steady like a rock. Look at this range right in the middle of the Keltner channel mid. Try to get involved here with your puts, and then obviously if you got to side the shares, you can write calls at the mid and get out of the trade. TNA is proving to be a great trade. Look at this. This is the range, pops higher. Let's bring up the Bollinger Bands. We're not really getting any sort of compression right now, but I'll tell you, look at this market here. Dow up 300, NASDAQ up 370, and this is yesterday. This is after yesterday's incredible sell-off right here. Some people were actually calling it Black Monday. You know, the Dow was down 0.05%. Do you know the official Black Monday? I believe it was Black Monday in 1929. The Dow fell 20%. So everybody gets excited when the markets sell off because the numbers are so big. Just understand, this is what they do. They run them up, sell them off, run them up, sell them off. There's too much money in this stock market to pull this down. So just play your bottoms. Buy the dip, right? Be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.